Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Reddy, founder and medical director at the DNA Skin Clinic and Wellness Center, Bangalore. Post-pregnancy or post-delivery skin concerns. We have discussed some of the concerns during our previous video session. Like we discussed, most of the concerns of pregnancy fade away after delivery, and what we are left out is with loose and lax skin, the stretch marks, and the abdominal fat. So what are the best natural ways to get back into pre-pregnancy shape? The next thing, lose weight slowly and steadily. Do not be in a rush to lose weight very fast. You should give your skin enough time to regain its elasticity. Losing too much too fast will not give your skin enough time, and it will cause increased elasticity and a poor skin tone. The first thing, start exercising as soon as you can. You can start with simple walks and simple exercises at home like squats in the beginning, and then once you feel your body feels ready, you can start yourself on physical training and this heavy cardio workouts. Get regular oil massages. Getting regular oil massages either with olive oil, coconut oil or vitamin E oil mixed with these oils will help in increased blood circulation, will help in increasing the skin tone of your body. Drink plenty of water. So having lots of water will help in hydration of your skin and increasing your skin tone. It will also help in burning more calories and help in weight loss, a healthy way of losing weight. Have a healthy, balanced diet. Lactation phase, especially the first 3 months, can be very hectic on the mom. You were on a very good diet during your pregnancy period, and after delivery, one starts neglecting their own diet, stop taking multivitamin supplements, and do not care for their skin. So please do not do all this. Take some time out for yourself, have a healthy, balanced diet, and take supplements if necessary according to your nutritional status, and drink lots of water. Stretch marks. So after doing everything and getting your body back into the shape, what we are left with are stretch marks. Well, start caring during your pregnancy period itself. Like we have discussed in another video, please use the correct creams and nourish your skin well so that you do not have bad stretch marks. And after delivery, immediately post delivery, start applying creams that will reduce the intensity of your stretch marks. So consult your dermatologist to know what creams are to be used immediately post delivery, because we cannot start you on the procedures right away. So after a couple of months, consult your dermatologist to know what are the treatment options available for your stretch marks. So we do treatments like Derma rolling, Microneedle RF or Fractional CO2 laser to reduce the intensity of the stretch marks. So having said that, stretch marks are permanent damage. These are permanent scar tissues of your body. One cannot reduce stretch marks to a 100%. In spite of doing all the procedures, we can give you a result of 50 to 60% reduction of the stretch marks. In case of any queries, please contact us on our website or leave a comment on the comment section below. Stay happy, stay healthy.